P0171 and P0174 are some of the most common diagnostic codes that the VACC's Technical Advisory Service receives calls about from our members. These codes can be triggered by a vast amount of different causes, some obvious and cheap to fix, and others are hard and expensive. This is where some methodical diagnostic steps will come into play. Both P0171, System 2 Lean Bank 1, and P0174, System 2 Lean Bank 2, indicate that the ECU, or PCN, has detected a lean condition via the oxygen sensor signal. This does not necessarily mean that there is something wrong with the O2 sensor. The system will compare the O2 sensor signals to the short-term fuel trim and the long-term fuel trims. If they are out of specification for a set period, one or both codes could be recorded, depending on the engine layout and the cause. Some of the most common causes are as follows. Software not up to date. Ensure the vehicle software is the current version, as the long-term fuel trims may have been updated to prevent these codes from being triggered. Vacuum leaks. Unmetered air can enter the engine from split vacuum hoses or cracked air intake pipes. However, failed diaphragms only leak once the ECU-controlled solenoids apply vacuum. These leaks are harder to find. MAF sensor contamination. Hot wire and hot film MAF sensors can become contaminated, which may cause them to underreport the amount of air entering the engine, without triggering a MAF sensor code. Fuel delivery faults. The fuel pump or injectors may not be able to supply the correct amount of fuel while under load. This could cause the engine to run lean. These are only a few of the possible causes of these codes. For more information, see the August 2019 issue of Tech Talk. Log on to Tech Online or call VACC's Technical Advisory Service.